show of naturalness, so we're back. And we finished our hash browns, garlic sauce, salt bath, and we're eating these delicious hash brown.
Why don't you tell what we're doing with our kitchen, Bill?
Well, remember, I'm a woman.
Oh. Oops. Sorry, Janice.
We're tearing out the big wall right there. I'm putting one for this. Now, what's your name?
Oklahoma.
Well, Oklahoma, why don't you go show off your dinner? Breakfast.
Tell about it.
Yeah, her tangerines have boobs. Hers have boobs. Oklahoma.
What?
Give me a knife. Psycho. Psych. Gotcha. Now, aren't you just so gay? Yep, you are. Now, we're actually watching the cooking channel right now, too. There, I got my tangerines some boobies, too. Now, time to eat them.
Now just look at Oklahoma eat her hash brown. And look at my eyeball. Isn't it trusting?
Goodbye. It's now for me to go, and I get to show off eating my food. Delicious.